Bouncing around with English. Mastering the phrase, bounce around. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, bounce around. This phrase is not only interesting but also quite common in everyday English conversations. Let's dive in and understand its various meanings and how to use it effectively. Bounce around is a phrasal verb with multiple meanings, depending on the context. Typically, it involves movement or the transfer of something or someone from one place or position to another. For example, the ball bounced around the room describes a physical movement. But when we say, he's been bouncing around different ideas, it signifies the shifting of thoughts or concepts. In this section, we'll look at some common usages of bounce around. 1. Physical movement. The kids were bouncing around the playground. 2. Changing locations. She has bounced around several cities in her career. 3. Shifting ideas or topics. During the meeting, we bounced around various strategies. Notice how the phrase adapts its meaning based on the context. Let's see how bounce around is used in everyday conversation. We'll provide some dialogues for context. 1. Job scenario. I've been bouncing around different departments to find my best fit. 2. Casual talk. Let's bounce around some ideas for the weekend plan. These examples show the versatility of the phrase in casual and professional settings. Here are some tips. Pay attention to the context to understand the meaning. Use it to describe physical or metaphorical movement. Practice using bounce around in different scenarios to become comfortable with its usage. We hope this video has helped you understand and use the phrase bounce around effectively. Remember, language is all about practice and exploration. Keep bouncing around new phrases and expressions to enhance your English skills. See you in the next video.